I will explain how to install Windows Subsystem for Linux 2, which can build an environment where Linux works on Windows. Type CMD in the search bar at the bottom left. Click Command Prompt. Type vir. If you have Windows 10 updated to version 2004, build 19041 or higher, you can install WSL2. Type PowerShell in the search bar at the bottom left. Right-click on PowerShell. Click Run as Administrator. Enable Windows Subsystem optional function for Linux. Enter the code and enter. The code is described in the details column. Enable VirtualMachinePlatform. Enter the code and enter. The code is described in the details column. Set WSL2 as the default version. Enter the code and enter. The code is described in the details column. Exit PowerShell. Enter Store in the search bar at the bottom right. Click on Microsoft Store. Enter WSL in the search bar at the top right. Click Ubuntu. Click Get. Click Not Required. Click Install. Click Launch. You will be asked to set the username and password used in Ubuntu for the first startup, so set them. Enter password. WSL and Windows passwords and usernames are managed individually, so when using WSL, use the items set this time. Successful installation of WSL2. Set to install Python. Sudo apt update. Update the entire Ubuntu package. Sudo apt install python3 pip. Install pip, an app that manages Python's own packages. Type Y and enter. pip3 install upgrade pip. Update pip3. nano.bashrc. At the bottom, type alias python equals python3, alias pip equals pip3. When you finish writing, save with Ctrl+S, then Ctrl+X. Source.bashrc. Python v. Check Python version 3.0.0 is displayed. Pip v. Check Python version 3.0.0 is displayed. This completes the setting of Python 3 for WSL. I will explain how to uninstall WSL2. Click the Windows icon at the bottom left. Click the gear icon. Click on the app. Click Ubuntu. Click uninstall. Click uninstall. Successfully uninstalled WSL2. This Kamarima entry and details are posted on the blog. I hope you can refer to it. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching until the end. It will be very encouraging if you subscribe to our channel and treat Amazon gifts. We sell minimal keyboards on the site. We have a blog about how TOS related to technology. We are muttering the progress on Twitter and Instagram.
Love and peace!